mulimu lulimba tutula wamu so agatandika okumpisa obubi
ekitegeeza naye alinayo akantu
ate alinayo obufashions bwamanyi bwesimanyi kati nyinza otuuka omugamba nagamba agende wasasa abikulagirire tompisa nnyo ku mutwe gwe
ati tutijje yamanyi zikuba kati
bijja kuba byankyebe saba tusonyiwa naye
because she deserves it but she's soft
ate hajate kati ku idi nga zari avaawo nga nzira
ate ndi musiraamu tuna abasiraamu tekigaana haki kati haki ziba ziweddeyo obala Rihanna obala Zari obalina roga kati ngaseeko hajjat obusiraamu butuukiriza kyo kyebwagamba
tujja nga tuvudde wano Farida kati omaze okubuuza ku Sesa hago zimuwadde mujja kweddira nga shewe.
Thank you very much for making it up to me. So kansubira Maria Diana, thank you for being a good workmate. Okuntusako n'omuntu gwe njagala kansubire nti nebe njagala balabo nojja bantusaka like Pastor Bugembe because I like him too. Okay.
Ate gundi ono wani Kapere.
Kapere, comedian.
No, by the way, I don't like him. But wow. I like this guy called Yasin.
Yasin, eh?
Yasin, he plays in Uganda. But Kapere, no Bambi, at least Kali MC Maria.
But of a even a Sesa but yeah, we got to
Inshallah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
But I think but it was really a nice moment. So I think let's also have a moment, just like a simple video, like a moment, so that I see Sneta upset us. Nangamba about Kampite mkuru wa fatukati wane. Yeah, so it is recording, eh? Yes, so guys, I've met my number one fan. It wasn't easy. So first time, tell them how you managed to meet up Sesa Bat.
Okay, I've managed to meet up Sesa Bat through LMTV.
Wow.
And through Maria Diana, LMTV. So thank you very much. I'm so happy to meet Sesa. Though he's not saying it, Bambi, it's from my heart.
And she's going to give me a gift, by the way.
And they have his birthday gift.
And the gift is not eatable, it is not drinkable.
It's
so
me.
Don't ask me which gift it is.
It's me, I'm the gift.
Mama, give me a hug.
They'll be okay.
It is real.
I just say Saunya Burundi.
Oh, thank
you.
Saunya
Burundi.
Man. I just Saunya Burundi choka. Even in Burundi.
Beda sasa kali ka video nakagada ka Valentine. Omuntu anakuchaya ku Valentine.
So anyway, that is really amazing. So I'll keep this.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, all right. So Sesa, yeah. Valentine Tuesday. It is on Friday. What are your plans? Chechoka ekisinga ojjeko essimu. Ate nga bwedda nkulaba oweetegekera bagenda okujja ku Valentine ogamba bagenda kikola otya wenno ndaba okubazi pressure ups ez'okumukumu.
Era obwedda exercise obwedda zakola mu gym zibadde za kiwatu. Era onyigera kati amaanyi gali mu kiwatu. Nganga robot.
This has been so fun.
Valentine. Whoever is going to, I don't know whether
kati babulira we baba bakusanga.
Wa ku Valentine.
Okay, so since it has been so nice to meet up with you and accepting my invitation, chino cho njaga tuchikole neera. So every time I ask you for an invitation, please, just as you've done it for the first time, I believe you're going to do it for the second time, because I know since you've done that video, while you're because I know you have a very, very big number of fans. And it has been so nice to come at LMTV Uganda, so I really appreciate this. Yakati mu bigambo bitono nnyo kusaba osigula abatulaba kakamo kyakasema koyinza okugamba
Yeah, first of all, let me thank LMTV for having me. Thank you.
And tell them to subscribe, by the way.
Yeah, make sure you subscribe, by the way, because this video, by the way, is going to go viral. It's going to have more views. So make sure you like, make sure you comment. It will help the video to go higher. And thank you, Maria, Diana, for having me. You're such a good presenter.
Thank you.
You're amazing. Every time you were talking, I was feeling I'm boiling. Shout out to the man behind the camera. Okay. Shout out to my fan. Yeah. Of course, we are at Laventi. These guys are like a family to me. Yeah. But I want to thank all my fans, my followers. I'm Ajagade for such a long time. I'm almost making now 8 years of doing this. Okay. And they've been there for me. So I promise you more fun, more laughters, more sepo, more Photoshop, more Simaina Kumanya. Nenga choino manya. Make sure you follow me Facebook, Sesa, Instagram, Sesa, YouTube, subscribe.
Okay, so it has been LMTV Uganda, and this has been Sesa with me, and it has been so nice meeting Sesa. So I request you, please go and subscribe on our YouTube channel. We are LMTV Uganda. Please don't forget to subscribe. Do any other thing as you watch, please subscribe. We are LMTV Uganda. We love you so much. You've been at Laventa. It is at Nigeria. Come and support them. We love you so much. Keep viewing. God bless you.
Chala. That is the end of the show.